Children, please open English classwork book, page number 71 to write alphabet Z. Alphabet Z, capital Z, small z, Z for zebra crossing. Now, let us trace alphabet Z over here. First, we will trace capital Z, sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line till second blue line, and once again sleeping line on the second blue line like this, capital Z. Now, we will write small z, and we will write small z between two blue lines. So let us write sleeping line on the first blue line, slanting line till second blue line, once again sleeping line on the second blue line like this. This is our small z. Let us trace once again sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, capital Z, small z, that is in between two blue lines, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, small z. This is how you will trace the second line also, children. Now let us write alphabet Z on our own. So first we will write capital Z. To write capital Z, first we will make a sleeping line on the first red line, then slanting line till second blue line, and a sleeping line on the second blue line like this. This is our capital Z. Let us write small z between two blue lines. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is our small z, capital Z, small z. Let us write once again. Sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line till second blue line, and once again sleeping line on the second blue line like this, capital Z, small z between two blue lines, that is sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Isn't it very easy to write alphabet Z, children? Yes, very good. Let us write once again. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, capital Z. Now it is time to write small z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, small z. This is how you have to write alphabet Z in your workbook page. In this given space like this. This is our Z, Z for zebra, and let us trace the zebra over here. And slowly बच्चों आपको इस तरह से यहाँ पर ट्रेस करना है. और ट्रेसिंग के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? हम इसमें अच्छे से रंग भरेंगे. After tracing the zebra, let us color it. So we will take black color and we will color it stripes, as zebra has stripes on its body, black and white stripes. So like this you will do the coloring. Like this you have to color the zebra.